How to zoom image on hover in Wix. So here from the left hand side, we will click on add elements, and right here we have to go to box. Once we have selected box, we will choose hover boxes, and I have noticed that from these designs this one actually zooms in the image or text. So we want to add this design to our Wix website, so simply drag and drop it like so. Here, if we want to change the design, we can customize it to our liking. So we have the different design boxes, and if we want to change the background image itself, we will click on the background itself, obviously right here, and this will appear, change image. So right here we can choose an image which we would like to add. So I've just selected one and I will click on choose image, and now as you can see we have successfully changed the background. So if people hover over it, then this will zoom in. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.